Okay, today we're making hot chocolate. Today we're making 4 recipes of hot chocolate. Each of them are delicious in its own way. The first hot chocolate is going to be the classic one. Let's taste it. That's delicious. Very light, delicious, and not much sweet. Time for the second recipe. And of course, for this one we need chocolate. I know some of you guys use square chocolate, the normal one, but it's right now it's very expensive and I'm on a low budget right now. So I just bought Hershey's extra dark chocolate. This one, dark chocolate. For the second recipe, my friend Sarah will taste it and review it for you.
Let's give it a try. Alright, let's try. I don't like marshmallow though, but I will.
You can skip marshmallow.
It's fine. It's okay. Yeah, I will. So yummy.
Oh, thank you.
You know me, I'm a baby. I like hot chocolate, and that's. I like it a lot.
Let's do a third recipe. Okay, let's taste the third recipe. Just burned my throat. It's just a little bit thick and too hot for me. The next recipe will be a little bit spicy. Okay, let's try it. This one I really like. It's very spicy, and I also like cinnamon. I guess this one is a win for me, and also the first recipe, because I'm just too lazy sometimes to do all these kind of steps. So just the cacao powder and milk will be enough for me, I guess. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.